So today I'm going to Tianjin, which is north from Shanghai, nearby Beijing, like 30 minutes here from Beijing. So we have a workshop there. The workshop is actually called NNXSSST. Very difficult to pronounce anyway, but it's like an acronym for a number of universities. So we have those universities, seven universities, which has a group who are all working in the same research direction. I mean, the research group that I'm in Juno. So we have such kind of group. So we discuss like in 5 6 months. So we gather in one place and we discuss the progress we're making. So yeah, I'm going there for that event. A little bit 2 3 days, at most 4 days. Yeah. So we also have on the card, just kind of card. Yeah. So this is Tianjin University. Supposedly, this is my first time going there. Yeah, these are the number of universities that are involved in this event. I guess you can see this. Yep. So yeah, I have to carry this card to get inside. Yeah, the weather is also very nice. So I'm taking a train with some of my lab mates. So it'll be like 5 hours journey to Tianjin. So we maybe go to Beijing, then turn around. I don't know. I'm not aware of the routes anyway. So yeah. So I'll keep you posted. Okay, so this is my bag. I'm waiting for Didi, the taxi. So when it comes, I'll go. It's nearby, so it's take 1 minute or two. Okay, I just got off my taxi. That was my taxi. So yeah, I got off. Now I'm waiting for my friends. I'm actually inside the university, one of the north gates. Yeah, if you remember in all the videos, beside that building is my office. So yeah, I'm waiting for my few friends. So we'll take a same taxi, then go to the railway station. Like it's the same railway station that we went on the last video, the Hongqiao railway station. So yeah, I'm in the campus. So oh yeah, spring is here. So there are a lot of tulips. It's very beautiful actually. So yeah, hopefully they'll come fast and I don't have to wait much. These are the dorms. So these are all dorms, whatever you can see here. This row. There are multiple, mostly people studying PhD or should I say graduate levels live here. So that's the physics department. Yeah. Sure, yeah, it's a waiting game now. So I'm currently in the railway station. So I'm not planning to have a lunch first, then board the train. So this is the train station, very huge. So that is the train which I'm taking. It's the fastest operational train in China, with the speed of 350 kilometers an hour. So mine is car 4. So this is the 6. So we're going to the university. We'll take metro line 3, which will take around 40 minutes. So we are now exiting the metro station. We are nearly there to the university. Metro stations are good. I mean in Tianjin, very beautiful. So we are exiting in Tianjin University. So the theme is or maybe around subject around Tianjin University, the theme of the station itself. Yeah, so we are still walking. So that's probably the university. We're approaching that bridge. I guess that's the entrance. So we are here at the university. So we now have to show the ID card that I showed you previously, then enter. Yeah, I got the room key. Now I'm going to the room number 407. Yeah, this is the hotel of the university. Probably you can see. Yeah, this is what we have. I'm living with one of my Chinese friend, so don't mind that. I have not made the room. I'm just back from the meeting, so it's over now. I'm heading to visit one of my friends, which is also from Nepal. So I'll probably show you some places around Tianjin then. Okay, so yeah, I'm out of the hotel. The hotel is actually owned by university, so the hotel itself is inside the campus. The hotel is also, I don't know, maybe called Nankai University Hotel. The buildings here are quite old looking. So this is the same place that we entered from, the same gate. But it was a little dark at that time. It was already evening. Maybe we actually missed the first train and we had to rebook another one last time, so it was kind of a story. So if you are about to if you are sure that you will miss the train, then you can rebook another or reschedule your train for no extra amount. That's very convenient. So we rebooked the train before 1 hour, so we didn't have to pay anything else. There's a tower. Looks like a Seattle tower to me. As of one of my friends, he told me that it's a television tower. I haven't been there. It's my first time here in Tianjin. Yeah, so this is the same place, but a little brighter day today. Some construction going around. Okay, so we're near the metro station. Looks like it's a very new metro station. They're still building some of the infrastructures outside. Yeah, so they've covered here and maybe building something. Yeah, this is the same metro station that we exited from last time. So yeah, we'll take this metro, then change to line 3. Then, yeah, I don't know, maybe we have to bike. Yeah, the metro station here is very fancy. I don't know. looks very good. Maybe it's because it's very new one. But yeah, compared to Shanghai, and there are very beautiful metro stations in Shanghai. Yeah, that's true. But my first impression of Tianjin is very good. Yeah, they have very good metro stations. So I have to take this one this way. I don't know. Don't really use it. I don't know how to pronounce. Taking public transit has not been that difficult for me in China. Like, there are signs in English, and mostly they follow the American English, so everything is understandable. They have Chinese words, but they also have English words, so like A, B, C, D, such things, to subway, like exit. Everything is very straightforward, so it's easy. Also the maps. Tianjin is a little bit less English friendly than Shanghai for sure. I came in this metro, it was super packed and it was kind of uneasy and inappropriate to film. So yeah, I'm out of it now. So I'll take the bus or just take a bike. A bike, I mean the blue shared bike. I have to go to exit B. Then I'll take a bus maybe if I find the bus station. I haven't taken bus in China, to be honest. I've just always took the metro or just bike because the metro stations are quite nearby from my dorm. So I had never had opportunity or necessity to take the metro.